Hello students, welcome back. Dear students, today we are going to start our new chapter, that is multiplication and division. Okay, now first we are going to start multiplication. Okay, now look here, I wrote one example. 542 multiplied by 314. So we have to multiply. In previous class you also learned 3-digit multiply by 2-digit numbers. Now here 3-digit multiply by 3-digit number, or in our problem set there are some examples of 4-digit multiply by 3-digit. Now see, first here I write the upward number, that is 542. The number to which we have to multiply is called multiplicand. The number by which we are multiplying, that is called multiplier. And the answer we got of this multiplication is called product. Multiplicand, multiplier and product. Just keep in mind. Now, here students, we know that when we are going to multiply, first we are multiplying by unit place, then by 10 place and by 100 place. Now here, for example, I make three parts here. First we will multiply by the unit place, then by the 10 place and by the 100 place. Okay, now let's see. First is 542 is a multiplicand. We are first here unit place there is a 4, so we are going to multiply by 4. Okay, now you know the tables. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now we multiply this. Now we have to multiply to the 10 place. Here 4, here 4. 4 4s are 16. Okay, we cannot write 16 at one place, so 6 remains here. 1 carry over. Okay, now this 4 we have to multiply to 5. 5 4s are or 4 5s are. Always keep in mind when you are counting the tables, that time choose bigger number to the lower number. It means it save your time. So 5 4s are 20 and plus 1 21. Okay, now students, just make a practice that this carryover number don't write, just keep in mind. Okay, and try to solve the examples right here for your information. Now look here, unit place, 10 place, 100 place and 1000 place. So if we multiply this unit place 4, we got this answer. Okay, now here 10 place there is 1. There is 1. So we have to multiply 1 tens here. Again the multiplicand is 542. Here 1 is at the 10 place, so I write here 10. So multiplying by 1 tens. 1 10 means 10. Okay. Now this 0. If we multiply 0 to 2, 0 to 4, 0 to 5, the answer is 0. So let the 0 here. Now 2 1s are 2, 4 1s are 4 and 5 1s are 5. So we got this answer when we are multiplying by the 10 place. Now we are multiplying by 100 place. Now at the 100 place here is 3. Okay. Now let's see here. So again multiplicand is 542 multiplied by 300. Why 300? Because here 3 is at the 100 place. Okay. Now multiplying by 300. Now here 2 zeros are there. If we multiply 0 to 2, 0 to 4, 0 to 5, the answer is 0. So these 2 zeros we have to write here. Now 3 2s are 6. Then 3 2s are 6. Then now we have to multiply 3 to 4. 3 4s are 4 3s are 12. 1 carry over. This you have to keep in mind only, but for information I write here. Then we have to multiply 3 to the 5. 5 3s are 15 plus 1. The carry over, that is 16. Now students, we got when we multiply by the unit place, when we multiply by the 10 place, when we multiply by 100 place. Now we will add this together. Then we will get the product or the final answer. Now see. Here 2168, then 5400, 420. Then here 0, 0, 6, 2, 6 and 1. This we have to add. These are all the products of the unit place, 10 place and 100 place. Then we will add together 8 plus 0 plus 0, that is 8. Then 6 plus 2 plus 0, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 0, 8. Then 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 6, 11. 11 means 1 remain here, 1 carry over. Here no need to write here carry over, but students for your information are right, but you don't. Just keep in mind this is carry over. Make this habit to keep the carry over number in your mind. Now 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 9, 10. 0 remain. Again 1 carry over. Okay. Then 6 plus 1, 7. And 1 as it is. So we got our answer here, comma 1,70,188. See the answer here, product, and this is our answer. So this is your information how we solve. Unit place we multiply by the number, the multiplier by the unit place, the multiplier by the 10 place and the multiplier by the 100 place. Okay students, now from our problem set number 14, I will solve only one example. Okay, from question number 1, and then remaining are the word problems. We will see the word problem. Okay, now students, from problem set number 14, we are going to solve example number 5. Okay, just keep in mind when you are solving the multiplication examples or any addition subtraction, then write neatly. See the unit place, 10 place, 100, 1000, always keep some distance between them. Otherwise, if you write some number here and there, then 100% your answer get wrong. Okay, now first here students, the multiplicand is 6092 and the multiplier is 203. Okay, now here first what we have to start from the unit place. So here unit place, and the unit place here is 3. So we have to multiply 3 to 2, this 3 to 9, 3 to 0, 3 to 6. Okay, now let's see. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Okay, now 9. 3 multiplied by 9. 9 3s are 27. Okay, 27. 2 carry over. I'll write for your information, but no need to write actually, you have to keep in mind. Okay, so 9 3s are 27. Now we have to multiply 3 to 0. 3 zeros are 0 and that 2 as it is. Okay, then 6 3s are 3 6s are or 6 3s are 18. See how I write unit place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 and 10,000. Neatly you have to write. Now unit place over. Now I have to multiply by the 10th place. So 10 place here 0. Always keep in mind students, this here is 0. Okay, 0 is the 10th place, so don't forget to give here first 0 and then you have to multiply, because the 0 at the 10th place. If here 1 also, then also you have to give 0. If here 9 also, then you have to give 0, because this 0 at the 10th place. Okay, so here you have to give 0, don't forget this. Now we will multiply 0 to 2, 0 to 9, 0 to 0, 0 to 6. 0 to 2, 0 multiplied by 2, 0, 0 multiplied by 9, 0, 0 zeros are 0, 0 6 are 0. Okay, now unit place over, 10 place over. Now we are going to multiply by the 100 place. 100 place means there are 2 zeros, so always give here 2 zeros. Why? Because we are multiplying by the 100 place. Now here at the 100 place there is 2. So we have to multiply 2 to 2, 2 to 9, 2 to 0, 2 to 6. Okay, every numbers we have to multiply. In Hindi movie there is a dialogue, एक एक को चुन चुन कर मारना है, like this one. So 2 to 2, 2 to 9, 2 to 0, 2 to 6, चुन चुन कर मारना है. Okay, why I give here 0? Because here 2 we are going to multiply by 100 place. Here at the 100 place there is 2, so here 2 zeros. Here we are multiplying by 10 place, so 1 0. Okay, now 2 2s are 2 multiply by 2, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 9s are 9 2s are 18. Okay, just one carry over. Then 2 zeros are 0, that one as it is. Now 6 2s are 12. Okay, now we have to add this. 6 plus 0 plus 0, 6. 7 plus 0 plus 0, 7. 2 plus 0 plus 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 8 plus 0 plus 8, 8 plus 8, 16. 16 means 6 remains here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 2 as it is, 1 as it is. I'll give the comma. So our answer is 12,36,676. Okay, student. Now we are going to solve problem from this problem set number 14, the word problem. Okay. Okay, students. Now we'll see the example number 5. Under the Inspire Award scheme, 5,000 rupees per students were granted for the purchase of science projects material. If 154 students in a certain taluka were covered under the scheme, find the total amount of granted to the taluka. Okay, in this word problem there is one scheme is given, the name of the scheme for the students, that is Inspire Award. Okay, and under this award every students per students get 5,000 rupees. Okay, this is granted for the purchase of science project material. If they purchase some science project material, then 5,000 rupees are granted to per student, means every students. Here total number of students are given, that is if 154 students in a certain taluka were covered under the scheme, find the amount granted to the taluka. Okay, so here students we have to find the total amount of taluka that is granted. Okay, how much amount granted for the taluka. Okay, now students, what you have to do when we are solving the word problem, that time whatever the mentioned things that you have to write first, means given things. Okay, now here see what is the mentioned thing. 5,000 rupees, that is the amount, granted amount. Okay, you have to write 5,000 rupees granted amount. Then number of students. Okay, like this I will see. Granted amount for per student is equal to 5,000 rupees. Okay, and number of students, number of students are 154. 154. Now what we have to find here? We have to find the total amount granted to the taluka. So therefore what we have to find? Total amount granted to taluka. That we have to find. That is in rupees. Okay. Always give this rupee symbol. Make this habitual, students. Give the rupee symbol. Don't write RS. Okay. This is government approved symbol. Try to write the symbol rupees. Okay. Now we have to find the total. These things, students. Now see. Maybe when we were writing the examples, that time with the given things that I found, so I use my some words and I write here. There is no necessary that same something should be accurate. Whatever you think you learn from that example, that given things you have to mention in your own words. Okay. Now we'll solve this. So granted amount for per students, that is 5,000 rupees. Then multiply by number of students, 154. Okay. Now we'll solve now. Here this is multiply and this is multiplicand. So 4 is at the unit place. First we'll multiply 4 to 0, 4 to this 4 to 0, this 4 to 0 and 4 to 5. 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 5s are 20. Okay. See how I write unit place, unit 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place and 10,000 place. Now we multiply by unit place. Now we are multiplying by 10 place. So as I told you, 10 place means here first we have to give 1 0 because we are multiplying by 10 place, and here at the 10 place here is 5. Okay. So first give 0, then we have to multiply. 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25. 25 means 5 remains 5 here and 2 here. Okay. Now this over, we multiply by the 10 place. Now we are multiplying by the 100 place. 100 place, I told you give 2 zeros because we are multiplying by 100 place, and here at the 100 place there is 1. So 1 zeros are 0, 1 zeros are 0, 1 zeros are 0 and 5 ones are 5. And don't forget to give the add sign. We have to add now this 0 0 0 0, 5 plus 2 plus 0, 7, 5 plus 2. Okay. 1 2 3, give comma, give comma. Okay. So now you have to write, therefore taluka, total amount granted to the taluka is equal to rupees 7,70,000. Okay. This is the answer. Now students, there are so much examples. From first question number 1, there are total 12 examples. Out of 12 only I solve 1. Okay. So all examples you have to solve for homework, and then word problems are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Out of 9 we solve 1 here. This way you have to solve the word problems. Whatever the given things, that you have to make your own sentence and then solve this. Okay students, I hope you understand this. In the next video we'll start division. Still there students, take care, bye bye.